Hello everybody. Today I got a Sportster 83 2022. The bike has got like 600 kilometers on it. This bike has been completely modified by us. We've customized it. As you can see, it's got a lot of stuff. Looks really sharp, nice, wild, like whatever you can call it, right? So before I fire it up and let you hear the music, I will just run you down through what we have done on the bike. So in case if you have a Sportster, if you have a bike which you would like to customize, the ideas might help you. You can come to us, consult us. We can help you build it up. We've done like almost 7 to 8 bikes this season, and they all came up very well, and this is one of them. I could not do the video of the other bikes actually. So this bike, to start from the front, what we've done is basically, number one is the handlebars. What we have changed. The stock handlebars are different. You can see these are different handlebars. All right. The mirrors are original. Just fixed it upside down. No change needs to be done over there. This bracket has been changed. This bracket has been changed because the original comes with the speedometer lights over here. So it's a relocation kit. The speedometer has been upgraded to digital, and it's 100% compatible with the 823. It's just a very good speedometer. I'll do my review on that sometime later. It's got a tank lift kit. If you see, the tank is lifted a bit. It's got a custom paint with the Harley Davidson logo on it. It's got forward foot controls. The stock Sportster comes with the center foot controls, which are somewhere over here. The seating position for these ones are forward. It's got a number plate bracket because we chopped the rear chassis, and we, just to give it the look of give it this look, we had to chop the chassis, and so we have to put the number plate down. There's a number plate bracket fixed over there. The rear indicators are different as well. You can see here the rear fender. Okay, and my favorite part, the exhaust. Exhaust pipes really sound beautiful. I was riding the bike last night, and honestly speaking, the bike is very well balanced, power wise, drive wise, sound wise. It doesn't sound too loud, it doesn't sound too bad, and at the same time you really enjoy the sound as well. So this is what a good exhaust should be like not something which is extremely loud, but at the same time it should be loud, and you should feel the power of the bike, right? So let me just fire it up.